Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You begin by opening the Walmart Photo app and granting the camera and photo permissions so uploads work smoothly. Next, sign in or create a Walmart account. This links orders and pickup options to you. Then choose your project type, prints, canvas, or gifts, because size and finish choices affect price and turnaround. Once done, tap Create Project and start selecting photos from your device or Walmart Cloud. This first selection saves time later when you arrange or edit images. Now focus on editing and layout. You should crop and rotate first to ensure composition, use Auto Enhance for exposure, but avoid heavy filters that reduce print fidelity. Then place images into templates, adjusting spacing and borders so subjects don't sit in the bleed area. Make sure to add captions or dates only after layout is locked. Once you have a page-by-page preview, scroll through at 100% to confirm alignment and color, because prints reveal small mistakes you'll want to fix now. To finish, select pickup or delivery and pick your preferred store and date. This affects whether same-day pickup is available. Next, apply any promo codes or rewards, confirm the payment method, and place the order while reviewing the final total. If an image fails to upload, clear the app cache or rootload that file. If orders don't appear at pickup, show the confirmation and order ID to the photo desk. Keep calm, most problems resolve with a quick rootload or support call.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.